Hello and welcome to another video from Adams Academy, an expert online tutoring service for high school mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve the only problem that came in the 2018 question paper from the lesson Some Applications of Trigonometry. It's a 4-mark question. As observed from the top of a 100-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Use root 3 equals 1.732. Let's draw the figure for this question. There is a lighthouse that's 100 meters high, that is 100 meters, and here is the sea level. There are two ships, one is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. So let's have one ship here and the other one is here. And the angles of depression are 30 and 45 degrees. So here are the angles of depression. You can see that the angle of depression of one ship is 30 degrees and the other is 45. So this has to be 30 and this has to be 45 and not the other way around, right? Because the smaller angle is this first one. So that's 30 and the other angle of depression is 45. So that means this is 30 and this one is 45, right? It's important to mark the angles correctly. Now let's find the distance between the two ships. Let us call this x and this distance y. So in this figure, AB is x and BC is y. From triangle ABD, if you use tan 45 degree, tan 45 is equal to 100 by x, and you know that tan 45 is equal to 1. So you can say 100 by x equal to 1 or x equals 100. Now let's look at triangle ACD. So if you look at triangle ACD, tan 30 degree is equal to 100 by x plus y, and you know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So from this you can write x plus y equals 100 root 3, and the question asks us to find the distance between the two ships. So we need to find y. So we can write y equals 100 root 3 minus x. That's 100 root 3 minus, we just found that x is 100. So that's minus 100. That will be 100 into root 3 minus 1. And if you use root 3 is equal to 1.732, you will get an answer of 73.2 meters. So finally you should write distance between the two ships equals 73.2 meters. For more revision videos, please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need more detailed one-to-one online tutoring, register for a free demo on adamsacademy.in. Thanks for watching.